what do we have here? It is a generic looking PC case. Again, I don't know if it works. It's got a window here with a fan in the middle. We can see what looks like a modem, obviously. Graphics card. I've plugged in my USB thing here for the keyboard and mouse. It's got SPDIF out, and it's pretty lightweight. Let's open it up and see what we've got. I don't think I've uploaded the videos to YouTube yet, but I've got another case that's very similar to this, except it's beige. Ugh, that's quite dusty. That's what you get in an old PC. More dust. RDE drive, floppy drive, hard drive's been removed. Data protection. We've got an AGP slot. This could be quite an old system. We've got A7VBXX. Looks like, let's have a look at the RAM. See what we're dealing with here. It is DDR, 512 meg DDR RAM. So not as old as an SD RAM system. So, guesses. I'm going to go for Athlon system. Right, it's got a fire chipset. It's got a cooler master heatsink. Guesses on the graphics card. FX5200. Let's connect it up. Okay, the power supply is a Dragon. It's 330 watts. We've got a light down here. And let's press the power button. Okay. We've got something on screen, FX5200. Processor, oh, it's gone. Oh, alright. It's better than I expected. It's asking me to set the processor speed. Go with that. We want to have a look at hardware monitor if possible. If we can find it. We also want to hardware monitor, here we go. Motherboard, CPU, that all looks alright. We want to see if we can get rid of the big logo so we can have a look at what we've got. Save changes. XP3000. Nice. You can just about make out down here that it's an Asus, so it's an Asus A7VBXX. So it's looking like quite a decent system. Okay, so I've put a hard drive in, switch it on, see if we get into Windows XP. It's pretty loud. This was the hard drive, or this is the hard drive that I have had problems with. So I may need to switch to a different one. Certainly looking that way. Fun fact for you, Seagate used to make these hard drives and provide a big rubber bumper for them so that they were less likely to be damaged in transit. Big rubber corners, etc. So let's try this one. So I'm not entirely sure how successful this will be, as this Windows XP install was installed on the other system video that I've just done, which was a Celeron system, but the same, same graphics card in both. And there we go, that was quite quick. We just need to wait for the USB devices to be detected, and it's probably going to spend some time detecting hardware. We've got the Windows keyboard working, and we have the mouse, so we can increase this, and we don't have the audio. Let's just have a quick look at CPU-Z, see if this is happy to tell us something about the system. S1 XP, codename Barton, A462, XP 3000, real speed 2166 megahertz. Nice. Asus A7V8XX via KT400. DDR, CAS3. Let's have a look at Task Manager. So these are single core processors. There's no dual core anything going on. Let's have a look at this, see if this works. Sometimes this doesn't. Oh, it is working. Cool. May as well run 3D Mark 2000. And we've got a 3D mark of 6,434. In comparison, the Celeron 2.4 GHz system got around 4,400. So this is doing quite nicely. Nice, quick, short video. We'll probably do more with this in the future because this is quite a nice processor, good motherboard. Yeah, I'll do some more with this. Probably look at reducing the noise of the fans. This is the front. When you switch it on, I suspect this will be the power, this will be the hard drive. It says USB. This is USB somewhere. Aha! USB.